Good job. Here's how he scooted himself up to sit up straight. So you could see.
Oh, you got new colors?
Yeah.
That's good.
Do you like pink and purple together?
I do like pink and purple together.
I like pink and purple on my bicycle.